Hello guys, welcome back to Filmora Mobile Course Season 2 and you are watching the episode 2. Well, we creators rely on our smartphone cameras so much, especially for vlogging, for creating TikTok reels or YouTube shorts, and mostly we use the default camera app. But what if I tell you that there is a camera app specifically designed for that job? Let me introduce to you the Filmora mobile app. Wait, I know that Filmora is a video editor, but for your information, there is a camera app inbuilt in your video editor that is loaded with features like beauty and makeup effects, numerous stickers and filters for both photos and videos. Let me show you how creative and resourceful is the camera app in your Filmora mobile app. This is your host Shukesh and let's get started. You can download Filmora app from the Apple App Store and also Google Play Store. Now in the Filmora app you will find the camera app here, and there it is with lots of features and options. You get both photo and video modes. My skin looks very smooth and glossy thanks to the beauty mode. So let me show you these tools one by one. The most interesting one is face reduction. So you can remove the fat in your face, make you look younger. If you have a bigger than normal head, this can be useful as well. Of course, with these effects, you can shoot photos and videos. The video limit is up to 5 minutes and it works seamlessly. Another interesting tool is face shorten. So you can shorten your face just like that. Next we have smooth beauty filters. So you can get a smooth skin with this tool. You can also whiten the face with the first option. There are a couple of more like eye enlarge. What I like most about this camera app is it works so nicely. There is no lag in the videography. You can also make your nose narrower, even make it longer. So next time you shoot your TikTok, Instagram reels or YouTube shorts, you can modify your face and make it perfect as you please. You can even control the forehead size just like that. The list doesn't end here. This is the tool to control the size of your mouth and you can see the difference. You can even put on a smile, more of a grin, so even if you are sad you can make it look happier. Also whiten your teeth with this tool. Fix any under eye or nozzle line area issues with this beauty tool. So this is something really crazy you can use in your videos. Now let's check out the stickers. These are portrait stickers, so it can detect your eyes, your lips, nose and put the stickers. So this is how it looks. There are hundreds of stickers to use. So create cool videos with these fun stickers. These are nicely organized. Once again, the execution is very good actually. More and more stickers are getting added and the new stickers show up here. So make interesting new videos every day with these awesome stickers on the Filmora app itself. You can get stickers based on your location or country. So download Filmora and try yourself. You get theme based or animal based stickers based on occasions or events. So next time you make festive videos, look for it in the Filmora app camera and make interesting videos instantly. The good thing about having the camera app in the editor is you can edit the video right away without any issues, so you get the original quality and compatibility with the effects and features. The Filmora app camera also features loads of filters, so you can download and try this on. These are also portrait filters, so it can detect the face and apply them accordingly. Once again, all the effects are nicely categorized, so you get rainbow effects, fade, time or trends effects directly on the camera app before you even shoot the video. You can check the preview. Once again, with this camera app and using all these stickers, beauty effects or filters, you can shoot still photos as well with the front as well as the rear cameras. So it's really amazing to have the camera app inbuilt into your video editor. For more interesting videos like this, check the description for the complete playlist for the season 1 and the season 2 of Filmora mobile course. That's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching.